Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 4.2 question number 4. Solve the following equations. Here question number A is 10p is equal to 100. Right? Dividing both sides by 10 we get 10p by 10 is equal to 100 by 10. 10 1 is 10, 10 1 is 10, 1, 1, and this 0 will be cut, right? Therefore, P is equal to 10. Now B part is 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. Subtracting 10 from both sides. Subtracting 10 from both sides. We get 10p plus 10 minus 10, that is equal to 100 minus 10. Therefore, 10p plus 10 minus 10 is 0. 10p is equal to 100 minus 10, that is 90. Now dividing both sides by 10 we get 10p by 10 is equal to 90 by 10. This 10 will cut, 10 1 is 10, 10 1 is 10, and this 0 will be cut. Therefore, P is equal to 9. Right? Now, question number C. Question number C is we'll solve question number C now. That is question number C is P by 4 is equal to 5. Multiplying 4 on both sides, we get P by 4 into 4 is equal to 5 into 4. That is 4 1 is 4, 4 1 is 4. That is P is equal to 5 4 is 20. Now question number D. Question number D is minus P by 3 is equal to 5. Right? Minus P by 3 is equal to 5. Minus P by 3 is equal to 5. Now minus multiplying both sides. Here multiplying both sides, multiplying both sides by minus 3, by minus 3 we get minus p by 3 into minus 3, that will equal to 5 into minus 3, right? Minus into minus is plus and 3 will be cut, therefore p is equal to minus 15, right? P is equal to minus 15. Now question number E. Question number E, you see here. Question number E is now question number E. Question number E is 3p by 4 is equal to 6. Multiplying both sides by 4, both sides by 4, we get 3p by 4 into 4 is equal to 6 into 4. This 4 will be cut, right? Therefore 3p is equal to 4 6 are 24. Dividing both sides by 3, we get 3p by 3 is equal to 24 by 3. This 3 will be cut. 3 1 3, 3 8 24, 8. Therefore, P is equal to 8. P equal to 8. Now, question number F. Question number F is now question number F. Question number F is 3s is equal to minus 9. Dividing both sides by 3, we get both sides by 3, we get 3s by 3 is equal to minus 9 by 3. This 3 will be cut. 3 1 is 3 and 3 3 is 9. Therefore, s is equal to minus 3. Right? Now, question number G. The answer of F is s is equal to minus 3. Question number G. Question G is here. Question number G. Question number G is 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. Right? Subtracting 12 from both sides. Subtracting 12 from both sides. Subtracting 12 from both sides, we get 3s plus 12 minus 12 is equal to 0 minus 12. That is 3s plus 12 minus 12 is 0. 3s is equal to minus 12. Dividing both sides by 3, we get Dividing both sides by 3, we get 3s by 3 is equal to minus 12 by 3. That is 3 4s are 12. This 3 will cut. Therefore, s is equal to minus 4. Therefore, we are getting s is equal to minus 4. Now, h. H is question number H. Now, question number H is question number H. Now, question number H is 3s. 3s is equal to 0. Dividing both sides by 3, we get, dividing both sides by 3, we get 3s by 3 is equal to 0 by 3. Therefore, these 3 will cut. S is equal to 0. Now, question number I. I is 2q is equal to 6. Dividing both sides by 2, we get 2q by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. These 2 will be cut, and 2 3 is 6. Therefore, q is equal to 3. Therefore, q is equal to 3. Q is equal to 3. Next question is next question is here you see next question is J. J is question number J. J is 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. Adding 6 on both sides. Adding 6 on both sides. Adding 6 on both sides, we get 2q minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0 plus 6. Therefore, 2q is equal to 0 plus 6 is 6. Or dividing both sides by 2, dividing both sides by 2, we get, dividing both sides by 2, we get, that is 2q by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. These 2 will be cut, and 2 3 is 6. Therefore, q is equal to 3. Now, question number K. Question number K is 2q plus 6 is equal to 0. Subtracting 6 from both sides, subtracting 6 from both sides, we get, subtracting 6 from both sides, we get 2q plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 0 minus 6. Plus 6 minus 6 is 0. Therefore, 2q is equal to minus 6. Dividing both sides both sides by 2, we get 2q 2q by 2 is equal to minus 6 by 2. These two will cut, and 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6. Therefore, q is equal to minus 3. Now we will solve question number L. Question number L is, here you see, question number L is now question number L. Question number L is 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. Subtracting 6 from both sides we get 2q plus 6 minus 6 is equal to 12 minus 6. Therefore, 2q is equal to 12 minus 6 is 6. Dividing both sides by 2, we get 2q by 2 is equal to 6 by 2. This will be cut, and 2 3 is 6. Therefore, q is equal to 3. Right? In this way, you can solve all the problems. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.